The struggle was not procedural, it was philosophical. It was
the Executive Committee for your continued dedication to strengthening the CPA Africa region.
The CPA Africa region in general, and the Exco in particular, have every reason to take pride in their steadfast advocacy for the redefined CPA status.
The foundation upon which our nations continue to build inclusive, resilient, and prosperous societies within the greater Commonwealth family.